To begin, from your iPhone's home screen, go to the App Store and search for EndpointLock. Then select EndpointLock and download the app. When finished installing, click Open. In the login screen, enter the username and password you created when you registered your account. iPhone security does not allow screen recordings of passwords, so you won't see the password in this recording. Once you're done entering your login credentials, click Login. To enable the EndpointLock keyboard, tap on the gear icon, then go to Settings, tap on General, then tap on Keyboard, then tap Keyboards. Now tap Add New Keyboard, and if you don't see EndpointLock listed under third-party keyboards, simply do a search on EndpointLock. Then select EndpointLock again, and allow full access. Click Allow. The EndpointLock keyboard is now enabled. Selecting the EndpointLock secure keyboard is very similar to selecting your emoji keyboard. Simply tap and hold down the globe key, then locate and select your EndpointLock keyboard. When the EndpointLock keyboard is in use, the green shield will be displayed at the top left corner. To toggle back to the native keyboard, simply follow the same steps. Now you're ready to start using EndpointLock whenever you have sensitive information to type. For further questions, go to support.endpointlock.com.